Hey there, this is Ben with Shirk Photography. Welcome to my home turf football soccer version. I want to give you a brief glimpse into what this can do. As with all my templates, it's an instant download. The fonts are Adobe fonts, so if you have an Adobe subscription, they'll automatically download for you. No need to go to different sites. And there's a full tutorial included with the instant download. There are multiple sports fields incorporated with this design. So for example, I can pick between football or a soccer field. It's super easy to drag and drop a new subject into the scene and position where you want. Then of course, any of the colors and text can be modified to fit your subject. So for example, I can change this corner diamond to a red and then replace the logo with your own team logo. As I mentioned, modify the text. I can even change the field color if I like. I can make it more black and white like that. I could add just a touch of color, or I could make it all match this team colors by turning it all red. There's a whole lot of ways you can make this look awesome. And with all our templates, there's built-in cropping guides that allow you to print multiple standard sizes by designing this one time, and you can print 8x10s, 5x7s, 4x6s, 3-foot by 5-foot banners. All those standard sizes will print out of this one design as long as you keep all the important stuff inside those two teal guides. If you want to learn more about that, go to our website under Learning Tools and How-To Videos. We have a How to Design Once and Print Multiple Standard Sizes.